It is safe to say that your car is part of you. Of course, not everyone can afford a car, but you need the car. With that in mind, protecting it is a must. Comprehensive insurance is not only expensive, but well, you can't be sure when you will get paid or even how much you will get. We have a simple device that can help you protect and keep tabs on your car and its drivers, a GPS tracker. While some may think that putting a GPS tracker in a car is generally only something spies do in movies, there are plenty of reasons to put a vehicle tracking device in your car. A GPS tracker is a small device that plugs into your car and uses GPS or global positioning system to pinpoint the vehicle's location. Our trackers also have other features that monitor the overall health and performance of the vehicle, keep track of the speed and other driving habits, and even send you alerts if your car has been moved or tampered with. The main function of a GPS car tracker is to provide the vehicle's location. There are many situations where this can come in handy. For example, if you go to a parking spot and find your car gone, you can use your GPS tracker to see if it was towed. Or maybe your spouse or teen was supposed to be home an hour ago and you want to find out where they are. You can also recover your car in less than 12 hours if it is stolen. More than 1,000 cars are stolen every year in Uganda. Some are stolen by people we know, like the Washing Bay Boys, mechanics, family, friends, and askaris. With a GPS car tracker, you can, together with security or police, find your car as soon as you notice it is gone. With our tracking devices, you can get trip details and statistics such as the date and time a trip was started, how far your car was driven, and average speed. It even tracks potentially unsafe habits like harsh braking or rapid acceleration. This useful information can give you insight into the driving habits of yourself or family members. Turn off the engine remotely using your smartphone. Yes, with our device, you will be able to turn off the engine at any time from anywhere should you feel the car is safer while parked. This feature is very useful in circumstances where an unauthorized person tries to drive your car. Listen to what they are saying. You will be able to call the self-answering tracker and listen to whatever the person or people in your car are saying. So, if the thieves have your car, you can track them and even have recordings of them planning where to sell or keep your car. We will install only the best quality tracking device in your car and even put it in a place where it will be hard for anyone to find it. This is all because your car is valuable to you and you are a valued customer to us.